Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, subscribe the channel and share it to your friends and relatives. Happy driving, safe driving. Today we are talking about precautions, do's and do nots to be done on an automatic car. When you are stuck in an automatic car, make sure you press the button and put it in neutral and drive the car front. In the latest cars, there is a lock button which you have to unlock it and then move it to neutral, and then you can move the car to the side. And do nots, what you have to do, precautions to take in the car is never start the car and accelerate it immediately from a standstill. Don't from a drive mode, don't put it in the parking mode till the car is fully stopped. Make sure these precautions are all taken. Never allow low fuel in the tank in your car. See that you have a full charge battery in the car. These are the precautions to be taken in driving your automatic car, because this will affect the transmission and as well as your mileage. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.